Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a very important topic, Newton crypto coins and how to send BTC from Newton. Before I get into the details, I want to take a moment to address the elephant in the room. There have been a lot of rumors circulating about Newton crypto coins being untraceable. This is simply not true. All Newton crypto coins are traceable, just like any other cryptocurrency. So, why are there so many rumors about Newton crypto coins being untraceable? Well, there are a few reasons. First, Newton uses a technology called zero-coin protocol, which allows users to create anonymous transactions. Second, Newton is based in the Cayman Islands, which has no capital gains tax. This means that users can sell their Newton crypto coins without having to pay taxes. As a result of these factors, some people have mistakenly concluded that Newton crypto coins are untraceable. However, this is simply not the case. All Newton crypto coins are traceable, and the Cayman Islands government is cooperating with international law enforcement agencies to track down criminals who use Newton to launder money. Now that we've cleared that up, let's get into the details of how to send BTC from Newton. How to send BTC from Newton. Sending BTC from Newton is easy. All you need to do is follow these steps. Log into your Newton account. Click on the Send button. Enter the address of the wallet you want to send BTC to. Enter the amount of BTC you want to send. Click on the Send button. Once you've clicked on the Send button, your BTC will be sent to the address you specified. The transaction will typically take a few minutes to confirm. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And with that, I'll say goodbye. Thanks for watching, and until next time.